Hello everyone, welcome to back my channel. Today I'm going to show you the UIUX design journey, delivering the final design solution from the client dream. In this video, I'll show step-by-step solution. This video will be very your next step work. I would request you watch this video first to last. So let's go. This is the requirement of the client. Okay, this is the project brief. Actually, solar startup agency website and objectives is modern, clean and driven website, promote and sell solar energy solution. And that means the reference is site. That was the reference site. This is the logo. Okay, so that is our requirement. After getting the client brief, I think as a designer you can set a meeting call with your clients, and client should be actually explain details for the designer. I would like to I'm gonna share actually details brief, understand the goal, target keywords and the key features and business objective, asking details. So client provide me the details as like the service, their main service, Johnny Planning, whatever, and the solar panel as like air co, as like evil. So details was actually mains, their contact number, address, details, contact information, content. So he provided. Then we have some question actually, what is the main goals? And they said actually goals was their product and their information to promote actually as like the website, and user can make order or connect the booking order as like order, they can connect it from the website for the service. So that was our main goal. So an user target as asking the C-level person as like the feature keyword and business objectives. That was the actually main thing. So is deeply need to understand to communicate the client. They need to be the great solution. So I think, okay, let's the color identify. So only the client provided actually the logo, black and yellow color logo. So we have received the logo, then we have the collected the color yellow as like the positive vibe, the green color, black and white. That was the secondary and primary color combination. So there was my information, and there was the information I have collected from the meeting as to actually what would be the menu, what would be the main services, Evolite blog. So I see details. So first of all, I need to create actually home page, then the service pages, and then the blog, contact us page, the details and the order page, something like that. So how can actually user can get more easy way to order, make order? That was our main goal. So let's do start a goal, fill up the goal. Okay, I need to understand the problem and brainstorming the UX solution I need to find, and I can try as a designer, I can try the paper sketching, the finding the idea, listening the user flow and exploring the creative concepts. Then the experience goal. Then I think actually we have not done it to check out the comparative things, actually looking for the inspiration design, actually the Behance, T-Ball, as the UX archive, as a lot of website and the competitor. This is the Atlas Power, which site the client provided, and we need to understand the deeply this what is actually happening this site, actually how it works, a lot of things, which features is interactive. It's a lot of note down and side note we need to take from the competitor analysis. Because of that, we need to overcome this design solution, proper user interaction for this design, Tesla design as like. So here is a lot of landing page, the solar landing page or solar home page and the tree ball. We can collect some beautiful design, but for UI, so we can save for this actually my inspiration and the mood board. So Behance tree ball, we can collect a lot of images. So specific selected images we can collect from here. then I think it would be the great for the mood board. For next step, we need to create the design user journey, this structure and UI build. And I think there should be actually the creation the perfect wireframe. And if you think actually the project is very small, so there is no need to create actually exact user flow. Because of that, everybody knows actually what is the flow chart, what is the design. Main thing actually user goal and the UI UX solution is for the Figma design properly with the response. Finally, to get the solution, we can use the wireframes. So wireframe is highly wireframes that we can use the balsamic or Figma default option. So as case, so I prefer you the Figma. So here is the balsamic side. So this is the for the wireframing. I think wireframing is a great set. And then we can When we have completed the version 1, then we have decided to make the version 2. In version 2 actually, already we have set up the menu and the fixable images and other section, so as like the previous version. Now we're gonna be actually right here going to show actually the solar panel and home battery, the option, the testable, the section, the trusted by company, and the heat for the aircon bracing. You can use the charger product, and when the user click the button, CTA button, you'll be able to see a lot of details history. And now we client's review, we can provide the client's review and review details here. So we have just put the dummy input content, then we after the finished design and then the development, it will be the real content here. So article will be as like the same as the blocks, and there was my design pattern. So single version 2, already you have seen the version 1. So there was the menu section, main option, and we have tried to build the menu section as like the product, the dummy product. It will be the product change, as that the real product will be the menu style. We have tried to follow the user can, very simple, user can see the order button and they can order from here. That was the concept. So that is the concept. Okay, and this last moment we have tried to build actually responsive for the home page. Responsive for the home page, actually navigate button and the call number, we can use the number here. So details, images, container, so a lot of details here. We have uses all information, the responsive version of phone. So I think this is perfect for home page. So after this design complete, so we will negotiate with the client actually what he is looking for and the problem, and we have decided the problem solution as like here. So at this moment we need to decide actually the final version design with the client meeting and the collaboration presentation. We can make the prototype, so clickable option as like the scrollable option. So that was my primary concept. So, and I think in a new video I will show the details with the wireframe and details is case ROS is a big project. I will show details everything for the new project. I think, and for the small project I built actually as like this system, as like this way. I follow this way system. So I hope it will be very helpful. If you remind, actually this is helpful video for everything for you. So just like this button. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.